Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson Mekanati Man Al Arabiyati Al Akbariyati. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. So today we are going to study verse from that is 62 to 82 from Surah Al Baqarah. Al-Yawma Sofa Nadrusul Ayata min Ithnan Varsitu ila Ithnan Wathamanun min Surat Al Baqarati. So let's start. So from 62 we'll start. Inna lazina amana wa lazina hadaw wa nasara wa sabina man amana billahi wal yawmil akhiri wa amila salihan falahum ajruhum inda rabbihim wa la khawfun alayhim wa la hum yahzanun wa is akhazna mithaqakum wa rafa'na fawqa Kumutora khuzau ma atayna kumbi kuwatin was kurau ma fihi la alakum tattakon thuma tawal letum membadi zali falawla fadlullahi alaykum wa rahmatuhu lakuntum minal khasirin wa laqad alim Tumul lazina tadaw minkum fis sabti fa kulna lahum kano kiradatan khasi in faja alnaha nakal alima bena yaday yaha wa ma khal faha wa mau izata lil mutakin wa iskala mausa likaw mihi ina lahi ya murukum antasba ohu Bakra kalau atta ta khizuna huzuwa kala auzu billahi an akawna minal jahilin kalud un lana rabbaka yubbe ilana mahi kala innahu yaqulu innaha bakaratul la faridun wa la bikron awanum bena zalik Faf allow ma tumma round kalud u lana rabaka yuba lana ma lo nuha kala innahu yakolu innaha bakratun safraw fakki ul lo noha tasurun nazirin. So what does it mean in English? Those who believe in the Quran and those who follow the Jewish scriptures and the Christians and the Sabians. Any who believe in Allah and the last day and the work righteousness shall have their reward. With their Lord on them shall be no fear, nor shall they grieve. And remember, we took your covenant and we raised above you the towering height of Mount Sinai, saying, hold firmly to what we have given you and bring ever to remembrance what is therein. Perchance ye may fear God, but ye turn back thereafter. Had it not been for the grace and mercy of Allah to you, we had surely been among the lost. And well ye knew those amongst you who transgressed in the matter of the Sabbath. We said to them, be ye apes, despised and rejected. So we made it an example to their own time and to their posterity and a lesson to those who fear God. And remember, Moses said to his people, Allah commands that ye sacrifice a heifer. They said, make us thou a laughing stock of us. He said, Allah save me from being an ignorant fool. They said, beseech on our behalf thy Lord to make plain to us what heifer it is. He says the heifer should be neither too old nor too young, but of middling age, nor do what ye are commanded. They said, beseech on our behalf thy Lord to make plain to us her color. He says, a fawn colored heifer, pure and rich in tone, the admiration of beholders. Now next is from verse 70 to 76. Kaludu lana rabaka yubayi lana mahia. Innal bakarat tashabaha alayna wa inna. Insha Allahu la muhaddadun kala innahu yaqulu innaha bakaratul la zalawlu tuthirul arda wa la tasakil harta musalmatul la shiyata fiha kalul anaji ta bil haq faza ba huwa wa ma qadaw yaf alom wa is qatlutum nafsan fadaratum fiha wallahu mukhrijum ma kuntum taktumun fakul nadribuhu bi badiha kazalika yuhyilahul mauta wa yurikum ayatihi la allakum taqilun thumma kasat qulubukum mim badi zalika fahiya kalhi jarati aw ashadu kaswaha wa inna minal hijarati lama yatafakkaru minhul anhar wa inna minha lama yashshakaku fa yakruju minhul ma wa inna minna lama ye bitu min khashyati laha wa ma lahu bi gafilin amata malam afat tatma ona ani yuminu lakum wa kad kana fariqum minhum yasma omna kalama lahi thumma yuharrifunahu min ba'di ma aqal lahu wa hum yalamun wa izal lakul lazina amanaw kalau amana wa iza khala baduhum ila badin kalau atuhad di thawnahum bimma fataha lahu alaykum le yuhajjakum bihi inda rabbikum afala taqilun. So what does it mean? Excuse me. They said, beseech on our behalf thy Lord to make plain to us what she is. To us are all heifers alike. We wish indeed for guidance if Allah wills. He says a heifer not trained to till the soil or water the fields, sound and without blemish. They said, now hast thou brought the truth. Then they offered her in sacrifice, but not with goodwill. Remember, ye slew a man, fell into a dispute among yourselves as to the crime, but Allah was to bring forth what ye hide. So we said, strike the body with a piece of heifer. Thus Allah bringeth the dead to life and showeth you his signs. Perchance ye may understand. Henceforth were your hearts hardened, they became like a rock, and even worse in hardness. For among rocks there are some from which rivers gush forth, others they are which, when split asunder, send forth water, and others which sink for fear of Allah, and Allah is not unmindful of what ye do. Can ye, O ye men of faith, entertain the hope that they will bring in you? Seeing that a party of them heard the word of Allah and perverted it knowingly after they understood it. Behold, when they met the men of faith, they say, we believe, but when they meet each other in private, they say, shall you tell them what Allah hath revealed to you, that they may engage you in argument about it before your Lord? Do ye not understand their aim? Avala yulamona anna laha yalamo ma yusirona wa ma yulinon wa minhum ummiya ona la yal lamonal kitaba illa amanniya wa inhum illa yazunnon fa velul lillazina yaktubunal kitaba bi aydihim thumma yaquluna haza min indillahi li yashtarau bihi thumma na qalila fawailul lahum mimma katabat aydihim wa wailul lahum mimma yaksibun wa qalu lan tamassana naru illa ayamam madawdaha kul attakhazatum indallahi adan falan yuklifa lahu ahadaha am taqawluna ala lahi ma la ta'lamun bala man kasaba sayi'atan wa ahattat bihi khati'atuhu fa ulaika ashabun nar hum fiha khalidun walazina amanu wa amilus salihati ulaika ashabul jannah hum fiha khalidun wa is akhazana mithakka bani Israila la ta budawna illa lahi wa bil walidaini isa nan wa zil kurba wal yatama wal masa kini wa kalau linna se husnan wa aqimus salata wa atuz zakata thumma tawallaytum illa qalila minkum wa antum muridun. So it is still 83 now. So let me tell you what does it mean in English from 77 to 83 now. Know they not that Allah knoweth what they conceal and what they reveal, and there are among them illiterates who know not the book but see therein their own desires, and they do nothing but conjecture. Then woe to those who write the book with their own hands and then say, this is from Allah, to traffic with it for a miserable price. Woe to them for what their hands do write and for the gain they make thereby. And they say, the fire shall not touch us but for a few numbered days. Say, have ye taken a promise from Allah? For he never breaks his promise. Or is it that ye say of Allah what ye do not know? Nay, those who seek gain in evil and are girt round by their sins, they are companions of the fire, therein shall they abide forever. But those who have faith and work righteousness, they are companions of the garden, therein shall they abide forever. And remember, we took a covenant from the children of Israel to this effect: worship none but Allah, treat with kindness your parents and kindred and orphans and those in need. Speak fair to the people, be steadfast in prayer, and practice regular charity. Then did ye turn back, except a few among you, and ye backslide even now. Hada kullu shay'in lihada liyomi. So that's all for today. كانت هذه سينثيا سامسون من قناتي ميان العربية الأخبارية. يشترك في قناتنا للأخبارية في العربية والإنجليزية والهندية. شكرا. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Thank you. Shukran. Khuda Hafiz.